Alright folks, today it's gonna be special. This is a veal chop and it's grilled in lard with onion. It's time to grill. Guess what, guys? After approximately 7.5 years, veal is still underrepresented on this barbecue channel. So for today we have a Côte de Veau, which is a veal chop. And veal is something special. I already had veal, but it's really not often. So we're gonna give this a shot right now. This is a veal and it really looks really looks awesome. It looks almost like chicken. It's really, the color is really more than chicken than beef. And for today it's planned to have this cooked in a cast iron pan with pork fat. And in Germany we call this Zwiebelschmalz, which means onions and pork fat. If you put this into the Google translation, you get the vocab for lard. So like lardo, which is fat. And this one is perfect. You know, right now I have a fetish about cooking things in fat, like the butter ribeye, the butter sous vide ribeye, the butter aged ribeye. You might have seen all those videos. If not, make sure to check them out. So, the pan is still too cold, so just close the lid and wait until the pork fat is completely liquid. And then a little bit of salt, and make sure to cook this one 2 or 3 minutes from each side. Some more salt for the other side, and the smell is really good. So I speed this up a little bit for you. As I mentioned, 2 or 3 minutes per side until it has a nice golden brown color. You see the onions swimming around in the fat, which also adds great onion flavor to that piece of meat. And we are headed for a medium till medium rare result for that veal chop. So veal can be grilled more or less like beef, but problem is, you will see that later, due to the bright color of the meat like chicken, it's really hard to see with the eyes if it's really medium rare. So we will check that out later. So again, 2 or 3 minutes from that side, and then we take it out of the cast iron pan and throw this on the grill grates, like so. Put the pan and the veal chop above, close the lid and let that cook there just with indirect heat for another 4 or 5 minutes. And then that's it. So I really like the color. It's really golden brown. And you can now see and check if you can now realize and see really if this is medium. So I like that one. The knife cuts like through butter. So just the last step. Some salt and pepper. I decided to take my Jack and Smoke pepper mixture. So I'm gonna give this a shot right now. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe and comment. Please comment if you have any recommendations or experiences with medium rare veal. I would appreciate that. We are seeing us again in the upcoming week. Thanks for watching. I'm out. See you.